Are you spending hours in tasks in Revit that could take minutes? Imagine supercharging your workflow, automating tedious tasks, and designing smarter, not harder. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 must-have Revit plugins in 2026 that every architect and designer needs to boost productivity and take your project to the next level. Stick around because the number 1 plugin will completely transform the way you work. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. The number 1 plugin is PyRevit. If you love automating repetitive tasks in Revit without writing complex code, this is your secret weapon. PyRevit lets you create custom scripts, automate tasks like sheet and view management, and even batch editing elements. Imagine trimming hours of your daily workflow just by running a simple script. That is the power of PyRevit. And speaking of powerful automation, let's check out our next plugin, DIROOTS.ONE. DIROOTS.ONE is all about efficiency and precision. It's perfect for architects who need smart tools for modeling, data management, and quick edits. One of my favorite features is the ability to clean up your model instantly, detect clashes, and generate reports, all within Revit. DIROOTS make it easy to create, modify, and manage Revit families, giving you full control over your project data. Imagine changing dozens of parameters in seconds, or building smarter, more adaptable models. This is what DIROOTS bring to the table. Now, if you want to visualize your design in real time, this next plugin is a must. ENSCAPE is a real-time rendering plugin that literally brings your Revit models to life. You can walk through your design, generate high-quality renders, and even present immersive VR experience. It's perfect for client presentation or just exploring your own design from every angle. With just one click, you can turn your Revit model into stunning 3D walkthrough. The speed and realism you get with ENSCAPE is unmatched. No more waiting hours for renders. But what if you want to push visualization even further? That's where LUMION comes in. Plugin 4. LUMION LIVESYNC. LUMION LIVESYNC takes real-time visualization to the next level. It syncs your Revit model with LUMION instantly. So any changes you make in Revit are updated live in LUMION. Plus, LUMION's rendering quality is just stunning. And here is a bonus. The only installation video available right now is for LUMION LiveSync, so you can start using it immediately. I will leave a link in the description for you to watch how to install LUMION LiveSync. And finally, let's talk about the ultimate plugin for parametric design. Plugin 5, Dynamo. For you to access Dynamo in Revit, click on Manage, click Dynamo. This provides access to Dynamo. Dynamo is a visual programming powerhouse. It lets you create custom logic for your Revit models, automate repetitive tasks, generate complex geometry, and even control multiple elements at once. If you've ever wanted to bring parametric design into your Revit workflow without writing traditional code, Dynamo is your best friend. So there you have it, the top 5 Revit plugins in 2026 that every architect should have in their toolkit. In future videos, I'll show you how to install and use each one, so make sure you don't miss out. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscription, and turn on notifications so you are the first to get the upcoming tutorials. Your workflow is about to get a serious upgrade. See you in the next video.